That's good, yeah. It's a blank, well, negative space, yeah? So, as designers, we're dealing with negative and positive spaces all the time, okay? So, as soon as you put a mark on the paper, it changes the dynamics of the paper, okay? So, we have that control, you see. And depending on the marks and the balance of the black and the white, for example, would make something either interesting or not. Okay, so we need to learn to see the negative spaces rather than positive spaces, because sometimes when we do a letter, say for example, okay, what makes this letter B is not necessarily the brown ink. It's actually the counter shapes, the negative spaces, which makes the B. So if you can learn to see the inside rather than the outside, whatever you draw or design or create will look better, rather than something that's ill-considered, you see. So part of the secret is, for any artists or designers, is to learn to look at both the positive and the negative spaces, and not just the positive, which is usually the ink or the type that letters that we type out, or the things that we draw, you see. Yeah? And it's all about the balance of positive and negative spaces. Anyone with a name beginning with B? Here. Brenda? Betty? Becca? B-E? So, as I write with this, I can choose where to put the mark. Okay? Now you could say, well, you can't read that, but you scan that into Photoshop, put it into InDesign, just type out the word Becca underneath, off your uncle, you see. Or Becca's your auntie. Okay? So, anyway, let's think about this. Right, okay, I'd like you to now think about the positive and negative spaces. So, as you write, as I make this line, I'm constantly aware of left and right spaces and that space in the middle there. Okay? Right? And try turning your paper around. There's no reason not to. Okay? And depending on your design, you can maybe do that. And remember, this is linear graphic, okay? So it's something to do with the line, so you can stretch the line just like an elastic band, okay? And think about the spaces that you're creating. As long as you want, as short as you want. Okay? So that's very different to that, because the dynamics is different. Yeah, that's going round in a circle. This is kind of quite linear, I suppose. Yeah. So you can control that. You don't always have to start from the top left. Start from the bottom, work your way up. Okay. So. And curved strokes don't have to be curved. And things don't always have to be perpendicular or horizontal. Oh, hang on, should I have that wrong? Anyone with two E's in their name with a B? Win? Yeah, or bet. Okay, I told you I'm terrible with spelling. No, I have to rescue this. Put a bit of gold on it.
You could do the A from that line there, so it looks like two T's and an A from that line.
Ah, very good. So I'm missing a C, right?
No, you've got two B's.
No, I've got B, E.
B, C, A.
Ah, very good. Okay, so that's over here. Or you might do one where it fills the whole page. Oh, C, isn't it A, don't I? Right, okay. Okay, so many ways to do this. So I'd just like you to try a few sheets of this, okay? Yeah?